Hi guys, welcome back to Scopless Gaming, and today I'm playing a new game called Labyrinthine. Um, it's a like a type of horror game that you have to survive, and it's like one of the games that I'm not used to playing. So this is my first time playing this game. Um, so like I am quite new to this game, so bear with me. Um, the game is brand new to me. So I have also got another video that I gotta do as well. Um, and it's gonna be crazy. So let's get right into the video. I've already did a little bit of it. You probably can see it. According to OBS. That's because of the brightness, but maze exit is distant from the entrance, and you can leave as soon as the objects are completed. Case files are procedurally generated, so two mazes you got will be exactly alike, especially as you level up and unlock more mazes types to explore. Story mode consists of six chapters with several mysteries to unravel by piecing together information from notes, tapes, and other sources of information scattered throughout each chapter. You are now ready to dive right in. Fee. Feel free to join the game's official Discord to find other players or chat with the community. Good luck and have fun. This is gonna be insane. This game, like I've heard, it's crazy. So, and that's the objective done. This is like I said. This is one of the games. Um, so it's kind of new to me, this game. So, right. So as you can see, I just did that tutorial. I think I can go through the tutorial again so you can see what I had to do. Um, because it has got it down here, like tutorial, but I'm just gonna leave. I think you know. I'm just gonna start the tutorial again, guys, so you can actually see what I had to do at the beginning of the tutorial. What you literally have to do. So this is the beginning of the tutorial. Um, oh, click wrong button. Click the one button. I am live streaming this privately at the moment as well. Just to see how it handles. But you press E to interact, and then you press like F, then you press 1, and it brings up the hand and the torch. That's basically it, and then it says here, equipment items that you place in your loadout in the lobby will spawn next to the backpack at the maze entrance. This is the maze entrance right here. Equipment items in your loadout are only used in the case file schema mode. So I'm gonna put my torch back on. The flashlight is not that bright, but now it says there, hold tab to see your current objective. Now my first objective is to leave the maze, as you can see. Now it says press 2 to cycle between items in your left hand, which I can't do because I haven't got nothing in my left hand right now. I only got one item, which is the torch. So this is where it can get like tough. And then you press hold shift. But puzzles can be solved to access objectives or the maze's exit. Each puzzle will have different methods of solving them, and will require experimenting to see what will work. In this puzzle, try stepping on a tile and work out how you can get them all lit up. So, let's do that. So it's telling you to step on this one. Then it's telling you to step on this one. And then I could just speed run this. Okay. Right, so that's that done. Okay. Let me just change a setting in OBS right now because it's a bit laggy. Just bear with me. I am using a different type of setup. Oh, it might not work actually, no? Thinking about it. I don't like the stream when it is. I will be changing the setting anyway when I go live publicly anyway. So there's no thing, but this is just the video beginning with it. Now it's telling you to press E to interact. Now it's telling you here nothing. But I got 10 lives. So let's go this way. Now, safe houses are scattered around mazes and will protect you from monsters, which is good. Because if you can find like a safe house, like where I'm at right now, just go here and then they'll save you. Safe houses look different in each maze and have radio that plays music, which I turned that down. Right, so cosmetics. The Case Files game mode introduces cosmetics, which allows you to customize your character in the lobby's tent. There are hats, outfits, flashlights, lanterns, and more, including music records, if you want to call it records, to change up the music in your lobby. Keep an eye out for cosmetics in safe houses and point of interests. Everyone that wants the cosmetic must pick it up before anyone exits the maze. So I have to remember that. So as you can see, I've already did this, so I don't have to do it. That's why it's not showing up anything for me. But usually there'll be like 2 items here, like a flashlight and it'd be like something else, which I could start all over again if I really tried, but that I've already did this. So once you come out of this safe house here, you can literally stay in there forever. You come through this gate, and then you take a left. Oh, and what I learned when I played this game, you do not turn to the right. You just keep going straight, and then right, and then straight, and then left. I didn't know if it was correct when I did it, but it was correct when I did it, so thank God. So, and then it says here, leveling up in the Case Files game mode will unlock new maze types to explore. They are varied and many locations are not available in the story mode, which is obvious. Then what you do, you come out of this maze here, take a right, and then you take a right again, and then you see this thing. As you can see this, right? By the way, the stream is only lagging. The game is only lagging because I'm streaming with the CPU and not the GPU. So I'm gonna stop the stream here, even though the settings on very fast. It shouldn't be like lagging for me, but it is lagging. I'm gonna go super fast. I'm recording at 1080 and streaming at 720. So this video will be out maybe tonight or tomorrow. Right, so monsters. There are many monsters you can encounter throughout Labyrinthine. Each with their own mechanics to work out in order to survive. Some monsters will react to sound, others will react to sight, and more. When you encounter an unfamiliar monster, try out different methods to survive. If it doesn't work, that method may not work for that monster, so give something else a try until you work it out. And then you take a right out once you reach that segment, and then you come through this bit here, and then you just go straight through here, and then it says have fun. Now, obviously I read this at the last bit, but I'll read it again. The maze exit is distinct from the entrance, and you can leave as soon as the objectives are completed. Blah 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 blah. You've already saw this bit because I've already read this bit out. So once you're done with that, you just come through here, and then you take up, and then boom, and now you're at the main menu. Simple as that. Crossplay on, because I got like a friend that I like to play with, and they got PS5, and I know I could play with them, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna hide my thing right now, my game, because it's gonna like do all this shit. You are now online. Connect with friends. Shift F3 for socials. So I press Shift F3, and I can see my friend is there. It's used in Epic Games, but it's whatever. So that's the end of that game, guys. That's the end of that game. And then I'm gonna do another game that you're probably not gonna be proud of. Right. So that's Labyrinthine, and then I'm gonna try White Noise 2, which is gonna be interesting because I never tried this game either. White Noise 2 is another game that I just got. Like I said, I'm trying all of these games just to get them going, and if I need them do anything with them, then I can actually get them to work. So White Noise 2, just have you on. My CPU might not work, but this is White Noise 2, as you can see. Well, you saw this in a second. So, welcome to White Noise 2. We strongly recommend you read the tips on how to play section for quick introduction to the game mechanics before joining online. No thanks. I'm going to click on settings, I'm going to click on video, and I'm also going to click on why is my resolution forcibly on. So this has got a different type of, it's lagging because it's got this song maybe ever off. I'll just leave everything like they are right now. Then you got tutorial. I'm gonna do off play. Oh god, so many tutorials. This is the video. Just click play. Let's do a solo play. I wanna. Should I be creature? Yeah, I'll be creature. Let's do speed power. Oh god, this is ugly as fuck. Now this is my first time playing this game, so I might have to put it in full screen mode because it might not be working in OBS properly. Here I am, once again. Hunt the investigators before they find all the clues. What's this? Summon.
Some people want to keep the spark alive. It would be better to bury it, for God's sake.
It's lagging for me right now because of the CPU clock. Explosion to the light source. Now I'm gonna turn off the stream. Because I'm obviously recording this and I wanna like record it. So I'm gonna do video again and I'm gonna go full screen. Because why not, right? I'm gonna put my
all the parts. But the head,
right there now.
The head was chopped up badly.
Find clues, it says. Try to find some clues.
No! 85, 89. 79.
I don't know what T does. Ha! Summon this person. Oh, hello, bitch. Oh, this looks gross. have to left click.
The blade seems really unstable. Electric spikes happen extremely often. I should find the generator and shut it off.
And it's been devoured. Ha 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 ha! Press the R. Okay. Find the play. Over here somewhere. Summon them again. Oh, hi, yeah. You fucking run now, huh? You fucking run now, huh? Standing me there. I'm gonna have him. Bro. Your speed has been boosted. You will lose the boost if you.
I'm gonna fill this place off as soon as I get out. I found several hands under the water.
There they are. They're waving look. Oh, you fucking up back. Can I help you? Skin is insane. So that's one of Alright, so that's white noise too, guys. Alright guys, that's white noise too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.